Are you looking for professional auto care products? Well, look no further because you've arrived at the very right place. Welcome to Auto Spa. Well, you must be wondering, Sher Singh, you've just suggested Auto Spa car care products, but why should we use these products instead of other products that are available in the market? Well, the reason is quite simple because these are super premium car care products that show excellent results on any cars. So if you are the owner of a hatchback, an SUV, a sedan, or even a luxury vehicle, or even luxury sports bikes or general bikes, you can use these products to give them excellent quality results and excellent quality finishes. Plus, the biggest reason is that these premium products are priced absolutely economically. Compared to other products that are available in the market, these are the most genuinely priced auto care products that you will be able to find today. So what are you waiting for? Order Auto Spa car care products from our official website autospashop.in or our Amazon store. So we look forward to hearing from you and we look forward to you using our premium car care products.